Hello everyone. I am coming on today with something different. I think I've mentioned that my husband has a 3D printer. So he made or he printed a vending machine, and so I'm going to put it together on this video. So there's a whole bunch of parts. I've never done this before. I'm following some instructions, some PDF instructions, and my husband said that I just needed a quarter to assemble this stuff together. So first of all, what I'm going to do is get like all the parts together, and then the first parts that I'm going to start working on, and then go from there. Or I'm gonna separate them and put them together, in groups. Let's assemble this thing. Okay, so there's a lot of parts, as you can see right here. These little things, all this stuff, this back and front, and then this big old thing. Okay, so lower housing includes the lower housing. The lower housing has the front wall. Okay, I think he already put some stuff together, because what I'm seeing here is not what I am seeing on the pictures. So I think this is done or put together. Maybe it might be an upgraded version. Let's see. Okay, so we have this, and this goes like this, and then we have this drawer. Maybe this is the housing. Oh yeah, this is one of the housings. And here's a coin. So we have this that goes together. Side wall B and side wall A. I see one of the side walls that looks a little different, and I'm following the PDF instructions, guys. So I see that one. I don't see this one, so I'll put that apart. Or yeah, no, this is not even the front wall. Okay, and then I have these two, which I might be missing one. Let's see. But I hope your day is going well. Fastener times 4. What are those? Am I supposed to know which is the fastener? Is it these? Maybe it's these. Let's see if I can find 4 of those. 3, 4. There's a whole bunch of these. So there might be more. Those are gray ones. And these don't have that. So, head. Okay, I think these go here. I'm missing a foot times 4. Foot. Maybe it's the foot. No, this is a foot, maybe. It looks kind of like the one in the picture. 1, 2, 3. 4. Oops. 4 and 4. I don't know where the other wall is. We got some of this stuff already. I'm gonna move this big piece. Oh, I don't know. I got one of the walls, like I said. And it's like a base. Let's look over here, guys. Let's look over here. Bear with me. These are like the side panels. None of this is that. And this is all he gave me, so we will see. Okay, let's scroll down. Resisted walls or single pieces wall, locking tab and short fastener. Okay, so or this one, which is this one. And locking tab and short fastener. Okay, so I don't have the walls. I do have this wall though. Okay, let's look for the fasteners. Those are 2 and 2. You a single piece part. Skip to step 4. Okay, or one piece wall, locking tab and short fastener. That's 1. If using single piece part, skip to step 4A. Because yeah, I don't see that's just this one, which is kind of huge. And then one of those other ones. We'll see, because this might not be needed. Okay, 4A. Step 4A. Okay, so first lower housing assembly. Step 4A. Okay. So this back and front, and this is the okay, so single piece of wall. Secure locking tab to the back wall using the short fastener. Locking tab. So this one. Secure. Locking tab. Add these to here. To this big one. Okay. Secure it here. Secure this here. Let's see if it's gonna go. How's it supposed to work with this if it's a weird thing? Corner fit there. I need something other than a quarter. Okay, so I'm supposed to do that. And then sorry, that's my cousin. Okay, so I should rows into grooves in single piece of wall. Because then we can throw it on here with pins. Okay, so we like this, like that, and align it with the pins. And this goes over here. Oh goodness, okay, how am I supposed to put it in there? Like this, and like that, and then it goes right here or something like that. Something like that, guys. Then I'm still, you know what, this is tighter than what it is. try another screw. Try a different screw. Is this working? I don't know. Okay, then we'll go to the next step. Invert entire assembly. Okay, invert the entire assembly. Now we'll put it upside down. Standard fasteners. I see we're going, yes, that's standard fasteners. Smaller ones, maybe this is the one over there, because it's small. I'll try and fix it. Okay, standard fasteners. We're here. Standard. They're not staying, guys. They're not staying in place. Hold on. Alright, okay. Let's try again. So I screw the screw, the piece of pressure piece, with that smaller screw here. Hello? I'm just gonna come to this over a second. So, there's a mic on this second. So, we're back. Just like that. Okay. No, I was saying the one again. Okay, let's go. So we're down. Okay, so the neural feet. You need to understand the floor. Okay, so 3 bags on that weight. Okay, so I got those little footsies. Go here. Oh, that's 4 1. But I'm going to just keep going for a minute. This is here. Okay, come out. So now I was saying that. I wonder. The picture I showed is not these. The picture I showed is those. So the other way. And he was. There's something there. Just rough into the floor. And I have it upright. Mostly these are just a stinger. Okay, and then. It's like going to work into assembly. I don't know what this thing is here. Oh, where does it go? Where does it go? It goes on the hole. Not over there. Okay, I don't know. I think so. It's over there. It is. Okay, so now we're slide going drawer to this one. And that. Then the housing complete. Okay, so we're going to look at the housing. Now here I'm tackling my this and this. And 4 of those little screws, which are hanging here. This thing. That. And some weird plates. And this weird thing. This little weird thing. There's all those weird things. And so some weird things. Maybe put them all. I'm going to this one, the blue, this one, and then some. Sequin cage string on the triangle peg. So this onto this, sit on there. So I'm using coin mechanism. Okay, here's a triangle. So this coin thing here. See coin gate onto this circular string stretches the pressure. Okay, so this is really one. So this here. So the other one here. So this one. There you go. So now here. I'm recording. Okay, and then with this one, place my receiver into housing. Or receiver into housing. Wait, no. Okay, that's right. Make sure I got it right. And then put this here on this side. There comes the housing right here. Through. There we go. Okay. Mesh fasteners. So you're back out with mesh fasteners. I don't have those. This goes here. I don't have these. So this. These. Yeah. Yeah. Hold on, guys.